convince us that he's not a psychopath, but a bearer of justice. He punishes child abusers and defends women being mistreated by their boyfriends. Why, he even rescues a dog whose owner is treating it cruelly. Now, unlike most of his justice-dispensing forebears in pop culture, such as Mickey Spillane's Mike Hammer or Eastwood's original Dirty Harry Callahan, Richard doesn't come off as morally dodgy or politically conservative. Like the girl with the dragon tattoo, he's essentially a vigilante that liberals can love. He hates bullies, is drawn to strong women, and feels more comfortable with black barbers than with prosperous white people. His protege, Neely, is a mixed-race woman. While those gunslinger heroes have honest folks in a Wild West that hadn't yet created a civilized system of law, this series conjures our post-civilized present, in which that system has frayed. It speaks to an America in which many people, liberal and conservative, are filled with rage because they believe the system doesn't deliver the justice they want to see delivered. Reacher offers the pleasures of an invincible avenger who satisfies our fantasies of payback and lets us see. And have I mentioned that I really enjoyed it?
John Powers reviewed the new series Reacher on Amazon Prime Video beginning Friday. On tomorrow's show, we'll discuss legislative efforts in states across the country to restrict what teachers can discuss in classrooms and what books they can assign in K-12 schools, colleges, and universities. We'll talk with Jeffrey Sachs, who's tracking those new laws and bills for PEN America, a writers' organization dedicated to free speech. I hope you can join us. Executive producer is Danny Miller. Our technical director and engineer is Audrey Bentham. Our interviews and reviews are produced and edited by Amy Sallet, Phyllis Myers, Sam Brigger, Lauren Krenzel, Heidi Saman, Teresa Madden, Anne-Marie Baldonado, Thea Challoner, Seth Kelly, and Kayla Lattimore. Our digital media producer is Molly C.V. Nestor. Roberta Shorrock directs the show. For Terry Gross, I'm Dave Davies.